The peon rang the bell. The peon was ringing the bell. याद रखिएगा, past continuous बना रहा हूं मैं. Past continuous. I caught fishes. I was catching fishes. Singular के लिए was और plural के लिए were. The boy played cricket. The boy was playing cricket. The boys played cricket. The boys were playing cricket. The child played cricket. The child played cricket. The child was playing cricket. Ahmad speaks English. Ahmad was speaking English. I waited for you. I was waiting for you. They cooked rice. They cooked rice. They were cooking rice. Tanveer cooks rice. Present indefinite है. Tanveer चावल पकाती है. Tanveer was cooking rice. याद रखिएगा, पास्ट कंटिन्यूस में मैं जा रहा हूं, तमाम जुमले बोल रहा हूं. I sang a song. I was singing a song. I was singing a song. Present continuous में the peon is ringing the bell. The peon was ringing the bell. The peon has rang the bell. The peon was ringing the bell. The peon had rang the bell. The peon was ringing the bell. ये भी किसी भी तरह से आपको चेंज करना है पास्ट कंटिन्यूस में, क्योंकि सब्जेक्ट वाज वर्ड की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ आईएनजी और उसके बाद ऑब्जेक्ट. आई वेटेड फॉर यू. आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर यू. आई sang a song. I was singing a song. I ate an apple. I was eating an apple. He ran fast. He was running fast. It is raining. It was raining. Right? It's a very short video and thing you can understand easily. You can easily understand. Next video, next lesson, नया सबक के लिए तैयार रहिए और MCQs में 20 नंबर हासिल कीजिए. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी